Okay, we're going to start our practice with silk reeling to help us clear stagnant energy from the body, especially in the joints. So we'll start with the wrist, circling our hands in this spiraling motion, wrist over wrist, spreading the fingers, really flexing, trying to get the full range of motion. Stand in a nice posture while you do this. Then switch directions. Next, we'll move to the elbows. So you're going to move from the elbow joint, circling, flexing the fingers, flexing the wrist. Moving in this circular motion. And then go the other direction. Again, flexing the fingers and hands, wrist. And then we'll move on to the shoulders. So rolling your shoulders back. You'll see a lot of movement here in the arms and hands, but really we're looking for a circular motion in the shoulders, around your shoulder blades. And then go the other direction. Circling your shoulders forward. Just letting your arms follow that motion. Next we'll work on the neck. So start with just some gentle turns to the left and then the right. And then begin to circle your neck in a circular motion. If you're feeling a little bit of a pinch, extend your neck upward, your head upward towards the sky, and do that slowly. Should prevent that pinch from feeling. And then go the other direction. Next, we'll move to the torso. So you're going to keep your hips in a steady motion and circle your upper body around your hip joints. And really try to move your chest away from the hips and switch to the other direction. Next, we'll move the hips, so moving your hip joints in a circular motion. And again, we're just trying to cause a little bit of a stretch between the hips and the rib cage. So really get a full range of motion there. Go the other way. And we'll move down to the knees. So moving both knees in opposite circular motions towards each other. If you do feel any pain, this might not be the best exercise for you. But if you're feeling good, give those knees a circle and then go the other direction. Now bring the feet together, knees together, and make a circle with both legs at the same time. And go the other direction. Now the ankles. So balance on one foot. You can use your hands to balance a bit. Circle your ankle. Extend your feet as much as you can to really stretch that, engage the foot. Now go the other direction with that ankle. And then shake it out in all directions. Switch to the other foot. So again, circling the ankle, Really extending and engaging the foot. Go the other direction. And shake it out. Next, we're going to move into elephant swings the trunk, but we're going to start with a little bit of a stretch. So get into a wide stance and then push off with your left hand, looking over your right shoulder. Take a couple of breaths here. And then switch to the other side. Looking over that shoulder, taking a couple of deep breaths. Now for elephant swings the trunk, you're going to keep your back flat as you're coming down. Your legs only slightly bent on the way down, but then when you're coming back up, you'll bend your knees. Bring your hands up in front of you and over your head. Swinging your trunk in front of you. Coming up the front again. Inhale on your way up. And exhale on your way down. Sync your breath with that movement. Next, we'll do one called Drawing the Heavenly Bow. So for this one, you're going to keep that wide stance and you're going to hold your hands out like embrace the tree in a circular pattern. And then move to one side. With the hand that is pointing, you're making a sword hand. You're going to hold your fingers, a little bit of tension as if those fingers would flick if you were to release. And with the other hand, you're drawing back the bow. So you'll see my body is turning with the hand that's pointing out, and then my torso comes back around to the front. And as you're drawing your bow, look out towards the horizon. Just gaze out into the future, and then bring it in and down. Lastly, we'll do centering. So bring your feet together. You're going to scoop energy up above your head. Follow your hand with your eye, then come down the center. Storing it in the lower dantian. You're inhaling on the way up and exhaling on the way down. Once again, inhale and reach for the sky. Exhale on your way down through the center. Storing at the lower dantian, just below the navel. Inhale and exhale. Now fold your hands over the lower dantian just below your navel. Begin to sway like a tree in the wind. This one's called Bamboo in the Wind. And you can have your eyes open or closed or a combination of those things. The key is just to relax and let yourself kind of sway there. Now step it out slowly and begin to circle over your belly, up the right side and down the left in this circular pattern. Deep breaths as you do this. Then we're going to spiral it down into the center of the belly. Take a deep breath and release.